Guys, back in another video. Today I'm gonna show the features of the Emotrad EMX. There's a cycle, and today I'll talk about the features of the cycle. So as I posted a video about the cruise control, it's very good and it's the best feature of the cycle. So when I turn this, there's a multicolor colored LED display. This right here is the battery backup. This zero represent the pass means paddle assist. When I increase, there is a specific control panel here, plus minus and power on off button. So when I press the plus button, so the paddle assist one turns on. So I'll do 2, it will go 2, 3, it will go 3, 4, and then 5 to 0. Okay, and here is speed, kilometer per hour, and when you press this button, shows the volume, that's a mode in the cycle. And after that there's CUR, current flow in the bicycle, and there's a time, how much time you have driven the cycle, and then the kilometer. So I have ridden 275 kilometers. Okay, so when I press this both button, plus and minus, there is a different screen. This different screen is it sets it's a different kind of setting. Yeah, so press it in the different screen. Yeah, and I have modified it with this, as I showed in the last video. This is a mirror, long mirror. And this is the speaker from Oremo, and this is a saddle from Rock Bros. Now let's talk about the specifications. About the light, as I showed in the last video, the EMX got a very bright light. So I'm gonna turn on this by plus button, and there's a icon where there's a headlight logo. When you switch off, it doesn't. And it's a feature there. When we do like this, apply brake, there's a warning button, red color warning button. And as we apply cruise control also, let me show you, there is a different icon. See. And there's a very special feature on this cycle EMX that let me show you. If you are too tired and you cannot ride the cycle, or you are in a uphill, so you have to pull the cycle, right? So there's a specific mode here. You press the minus button, and there's a walk mode here. You can see the icon, and I'm not doing anything. The cycle is going automatically, and when I press the brake, it cut off. And this cycle has a very unique feature. It has auto cut off brakes, such as I accelerate the cycle and I press the brakes, it will automatically cut the power from the motor to the cycle. Yeah, and let's talk about its suspension. It is the first electric bike in India that has dual suspension. First electric. So there is a suspension, lock in, lock out. When I do in the right side, it will get very hard, and when I do it in the left side, it will become very soft. Yeah, so we'll adjust this like that. And there's a dual suspension here, so you can adjust by doing this, turning the suspension into right side. Yeah, so it has a battery of 14 ampere. It charges very fast, and there's a plug, and there's a switch switch off button, and there's the battery. Actually this is a portable battery, so you can, like, there's a keys, this is a specific key, and it also shows the battery backup from here, so it's full here. Okay, so this is the key for the battery. We can open it and take it to charge. So I'll do like this. I'll do this, and the battery will come out like this from doing this. Yeah, so this is the review, and it got mudguards on both sides, front and back, and there's a very comfortable seat with eMotorrad branding. So, and it has got power pedals. These pedals are very good, and it got a gear set of Shimano Tourney gears, and Shimano Altus derailleurs. Yeah, so in this cycle the gears are very different. So in other gear cycles it is like this and this, but there is no button here. There's, if you shift it like this and you have to increase it, there is a plus button, and here if you have to increase it, like it is on second gear, you have to shift like this, and if you have to down the gear, you're like this. So yeah, it has a very unique gear set, Shimano Altus and Shimano Tourney. Very fast and very good derailleurs and gears. Yeah, so that's all about the cycle, and these mirrors are very useful, so yeah, and the body is very light because it is made up of aircraft aluminium. There is a motor hub here from where we get the power. Yeah, that's about the eMotorrad DMX. So it's a very unique cycle. I think you should consider this cycle. It's very fun to ride, and its pricing, but its pricing are very high. So I think so you can consider this or the T-Rex Air of the eMotorrad. Bye. Yeah, so you should consider it. Okay, bye, see you in the next video.